Is it just me, or do things look a whole lot cooler when they're all tacked together like this? I've been zapping this drive shaft tunnel together for my LS Swap Nissan 720 for the past probably half an hour or so. I finally just took a step back to let it cool down a little bit and clean everything up. And in my opinion, there's just something about this that looks really cool. And I'll have to go back and fill in between all the tacks, and I know that it's just going to look a whole lot uglier when I'm done, and it's not really going to look cool again until it's all ground down and painted. There's just something about it that gives off a very, I don't know, industrial look, I guess. Maybe I'm just crazy or the fumes are getting to me, but this is definitely the coolest part of the process. And make sure you follow if you want to see what this looks like in there.